Guys, we are Jusen Garden Tools Factory. Today we introduce a chainsaw 58cc of replacement two-stroke engine with an easy and quick response starter and the guard bar with 20 inch. So this guard bar size can also be customized. So this chainsaw in the market is selling very well in India, Southeast Asia, Africa are selling everywhere and is very popular with customers. Our products produce this chainsaw at least 5,000 PC every month. The price is very good. Welcome to Increase and Order. Thank you guys. See you.